Today I will show you a new. This is the old technology that is primitive people always use this one, but now we already almost forget. So what I'm gonna show you is a simple wheel that they can just make the water pump by just do this. So what they do is just the old CVP pipe, this one, and the old wheel, the old wheel, this one, and you can do anything. You can make from anything like a bike wheel. This one, I don't know what is this, a bike wheel, and this is just a creative idea. You can make from the stone. You can make from anything you have, and just do like this. And the special thing is it have this one that is a tool that can pump the water from the wheel. So we use about 1 meter by from this line each one. We can use this one. I can show you clearly this one. Anything that is similar shape of this one, make sure that it can be running on this hole. You can see here. So it is very easy. Even a kid can do this one. So we just do this, and the water is come up from the wheel. So we can just do exercise every day, and the water is coming up from the wheel, like do exercise. So I hope everyone can understand the process and the system. Here is about 30-second water result. Can got what full of this basket. So it's very fast. Like we doing exercise, if we do this every day, it will be good health. It's healthy for you. Now it's already full, and this one is you can move to the other place. If you have another basket, you can move like this way. Okay, so it is a simple one. If you want to know how to do this, just feel free to subscribe. The next video I will do this for you, step by step, how to make this one work. So don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thank you very much. Bye.